Hey guys, it's Wednesday, June the 5th. Hope everybody's doing well. Had a good night. Hopefully having a good trading week so far. Remember Friday, we've got big news. It's the non-farm payroll report on Friday. There's usually a move for that report that starts on Wednesdays. Sometimes it's during the afternoon, sometimes it's in the evening. In the Asia session, it kind of starts. So I'm going to be watching for that for a move into the report Friday morning, which is 8:30 Eastern time here in the U.S. So we're going to go over. Let me get the advertisements out of the way. This is for trading education purposes only. Trade at your own risk. Just don't follow anybody blindly, and that includes me. You can lose all your money trading, as trading Forex currencies is very risky. So do your due diligence and research on your trading. Do a demo account if you can. Learning, that way if you lose money, you're learning at the same time. Thank you for those who subscribed in the last couple of days. Appreciate that. It just lets me know that I'm hopefully helping people, because that's what it's supposed to be about. It. I think it started that way for a lot of people on YouTube in their trade rooms, but it changed somewhere in there. But mine hadn't, and mine won't. Because I'm not trying to get Taylor Swift subscriber numbers where YouTube can pay me, because I make my money trading, and I want to be able to help other people trading. Your subscribing, all that does is it just lets me know that I'm helping somebody, and that's supposed to be the purpose. But pound dollar, it's still in a sale. It's gone sideways since yesterday. As you can see, went up, came back down, back up. So nothing to do on it just yet. But we'll be looking for an opportunity on the pound dollar because of the non-farm payroll report. Aussie dollar done the same thing. It's sold off, still in a sale for right now, so there's nothing to do on it. But we'll be looking for an opportunity on it because it's tied to the dollar as well. So there's nothing to do on it right now. But that right there is concerning, because those get filled in a lot. Sometimes they get filled all the way in and taken out. Sometimes they just go about halfway, 3/4 to it, and then turn around, which would be up here, which would be a pretty good move from where it's at if it did come up here. So I'm going to look for an opportunity on a buy here. It may not set up, but I'm going to look for one. Pound CAD, there's yesterday's trade, where I got in over here where we were talking yesterday. I got half of the position off, fortunately, 35 pips on the pound CAD. The others have different. Aussie dollar is smaller, odd yen, CAD yen, them are smaller because they don't move as much. New Zealand yen. The pound CAD moves pretty good, so 35 is the number on it, taking off half the position. And then when I got the 35, I moved my stop in the second half to break even, and as you can see, it got stopped out on that big push up right there. So I'm going to be looking for another opportunity for a sale on the pound CAD, but the one I had from yesterday got 35 pips on it, stopped out on the second half at break even. Pound yen, remember I told y'all yesterday this flush down from yesterday that there was going to be a buy in here, low risk. There was your opportunity right there, which was several hours later from where I had talked about it, and actually went down and made like a 40 pip risk, and there's your move to do the flush. So, and also the Aussie yen, I told you that was going to do the same thing. There's a flush down, it goes up, it takes care of it. It may make another push up into here on the Aussie yen, so it may not be done yet to the upside just yet. The euro yen, same thing. There's your flush down. It's going to come up and fill it in, which it did. It still may come up into here though, so there still may be a little bit more push up. And then the CAD yen, done exactly the same thing. There's your flush down, fills it in back in there. It could come back up into here because it's bounced. It closed below the yearly resistance right here, which becomes support because it was above it. Now it's closed below it, closed back above it, come back. Look where it came to. Look, you don't think that's important? Look where that came to. And that's where we're at right now. So there could be another push up into here before a sell comes. New Zealand yen, done exactly the same thing. There's the flush down, sideways the push up. It filled in the flush down. So there's nothing to do on it just yet. I'm only looking for sales only on that, the New Zealand yen. So here we go to the Euro New Zealand. It has made a 1 hour buy, has come back into the buy. That's yearly pivot right there. So it got really close to it. It may not be done, it may come down. I'm going to look for a buy opportunity on the Euro New Zealand tonight. And during the Asian session, we'll watch it. I may take this trade because that's a low risk trade right now. That low is 175.41. The low that it made right there is 49.5. So that's, and it's trading at 60. The low is 41, so that's 19 plus 5 on the spread. That's a $24 risk right now. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and take that trade. Let me do this. Euro New Zealand buy opportunity. That's a low risk trade because if this continues to push it up, I'm gonna move a stop to that right there. So the Euro New Zealand, the pound New Zealand made a 1 hour buy. It's come back down into it. I'm looking for an opportunity on that too, but its yearly pivot is still a good ways away, actually about 470. So it could be short-lived on that. But I'm already going to be in something tied to New Zealand. I don't want both. Euro Aussies made a 1 hour sell, made a big push down, and it needs to push back up to do a sell. So there's nothing to do there yet. And I'm looking also for this week, some of it to come back down into here. So either or, a buy right there or a sell up in here. Euro CAD has made a 1 hour, so it's done exactly the same thing. There's the flush up. So what are we looking for? A pull back down into here for a buy opportunity. So this could be a sell right now, but the way it made the arrows and a flush down has not come back up to give us an opportunity. It's a high risk trade right now. So nothing to do on the Euro CAD without it pushing up into here or coming down into here be a buy. So there's nothing to do on the Euro CAD. Pound Aussies made a 1 hour sell signal. There was an opportunity to get in right there. So it doesn't look that good to me, the Euro Aussie on the sell. So I'm going to say do nothing on that. If you did take the sell, that high is your stop, the high of that candle. So it'd be like about a $29 risk if you got in right now, which is not too bad. That's within my parameters. So that may or may not work. So that's everything. If you did take the pound yen that I talked about yesterday, and the euro yen, the CAD yen, the odd yen, and the New Zealand yen, you made good money on all of those. I'm just looking for sells on those because the Bank of Japan could step in at any time and drive them down far and could put you out of business. So it's not worth the risk right now to take those. But it did make money on the pound CAD. That's one it did take, and I'm in the Euro New Zealand now on it. So we'll see how that plays out as well. So videos being recorded as usual, be posting about 15 or 20 minutes. Plan on having another video tomorrow. I'm supposed to meet some friends tomorrow. Not sure of the time, so I may or may not have a video. Of course, on Friday I won't have a video either because I don't trade on Fridays. But I do look to get out of positions on Friday mornings, especially. And then sometimes there's a start of a move late Friday afternoon. So we'll do that. So I'm hoping to be able to have another video tomorrow. But if I'm not, then I hope you understand I'm out with friends. So you got to do stuff like that every now and then, keep your sanity doing this stuff. So we will see you guys tomorrow. And thank you again to those that are subscribed and liked the channel. I do appreciate that. Like I've always said, and you should do this not to just my channel, but to other YouTube traders channels. If they're not helping you and you've already subscribed, unsubscribe from them. That sends a message when you do that. I'm doing this because I want to be able to help other people since I've become successful at swing trading. That's it, swing trading. Done it since 2006, successful since 2007. And it allowed me to be, and my wife to be able to retire, and I can be able to trade, and we can come and go as we please and do things. And that's what I want other people to have, that opportunity too. So this is not a get rich quick. It's not an overnight sensation. Even though you may see on YouTube these guys got these Lamborghinis, you can rent these things. I hope you guys understand that. You can go park in front of a house, get a picture real quick with your Lamborghini or whatever it is that you got, and you rent it for the day and take it back. And so don't be deceptive to stuff like that, please. So we'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow with another video.